Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to video call in Zangi. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Zangi app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you're gonna see options like chats, calls, contacts, and settings. You can make a video call by opening the chat from the chats available. Tap on the chat that you want to video call to. Then on the top right corner, you're gonna see options like video call and call. Go ahead and tap on the icon with a video call icon on it. Then you'll successfully make a video call in Zangi. And guys, that's it. That's how you make a video call in Zangi. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.